My name's Edwin Siddell, and I rebuild transmissions and engines. This is my 30th year in the game, seeing something broken and then putting it back together and seeing it running again. A passion for fixing things.
So we have our own in-house rebuild centre. We can take a used broken component and rebuild that to the manufacturer's specification.
The process is, as the transmission comes in, get cleaned, then we'll put it onto this bench and strip it down. We make a parts list of whatever's broken, give it a quote, give it to the customer, and then the customer will agree to either rebuild or take a reman unit.
Our rebuild centre is a cost-effective option for our customers. We understand that a new part's not always practical. We also do midlife rebuilds for our customers on their machinery. We understand that our customers might not always require a new machine, so by doing a midlife rebuild it gives our customers' machines a second life, which is often a cost-effective option.
So we bring the apprentices through the rebuild centre to teach them how to fix axles, transmissions, engines, and get that knowledge to be able to go out in the field and do the job properly. I enjoy teaching the youngsters because what I know, share my knowledge with someone else.
We understand everybody's requirements are different, so we have great finance options. If it's buying a new machine or wanting to do a midlife rebuild, we have a finance option that will suit. Let us worry about your servicing so that you can get on with your business. At Trans Diesel, we've got your back.